Beautiful babes, today is day 15 of facial February, hence the facial mask I'm wearing right about now. Now listen, this one right here is what I call the bounce back facial because tight skin is nice. Oh, it's nice. But plump skin is what makes you look younger. Okay? After 50, and for me, after 60, the problem isn't just wrinkles. It is that your skin loses water and collagen. That's why cheeks flatten, under eyes get hollow, and makeup starts aging you instead of helping you. Okay, so today we are doing a collagen supporting facial women in Asia have used for generations, and it's powerful for mature skin. So you do need 4 ingredients, and those 4 ingredients, number 1 being rice. Rice contains amino acids that support collagen, brightens dull skin, softens fine lines, improves skin elasticity. The second ingredient is aloe vera. Aloe vera, y'all, for deep hydration, soothes thinning, mature skin, helps crepey texture skin, gives a natural lifted look. We also are using olive oil, or you can use vitamin E. Either or will help in restoring the skin barrier, improving skin elasticity, helping with sagging and dryness, and it's also, either of these is excellent for neck wrinkles. And then we have, and I know you're gonna say honey again. Yes, honey. Listen, it locks in moisture, it plumps fine lines, and adds glow. So let me show you how to prepare this. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of cooked rice, very soft, okay, very soft. 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of olive oil or vitamin E oil, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Just mash the cooked rice until it's smooth, almost like baby food. You're going to add in your aloe vera gel, then add your honey and add in the olive oil. Mix until creamy. The texture should be like a thick lotion. I didn't mix mine as well as I wanted to because I had a little helping hand in the kitchen, but that's okay. We're going to carry on, okay? Now we're going to apply this to our clean face. I did wash my face off. I am back to using one of my favorites from the Ayurveda Experience, this amazing jelly face wash. I have been loving it for the last couple of weeks, y'all. And then after I do all that, rinse my face clearly and apply the face mask. You do need to try to apply it using upward lifting motions if possible, and apply under your eyes like a thin layer. Also, this is great for your neck, so feel free to put this on your neck as well. That's very important at this day and age to go ahead and do that. Tap into your cheeks for 30 seconds after applying. This helps absorption and circulation. Now you're going to leave this on for 20 to 25 minutes. This is a hydration mask, so it will not harden like the mask we had on yesterday. And yes, if you want to, you can leave this one on longer than 25 minutes. 35 minutes is perfectly fine as well. It won't dry on your skin because it's moisture based. Some people even rinse lightly and leave a thin layer on overnight, only if your skin tolerates it though, okay? Now you can use this one every other day during this challenge, but then 2 to 3 times weekly for maintenance. This is especially good before filming, before church, before events, before makeup applications, okay? Now to remove it, we're just going to use warm water and gently massage while rinsing. We're going to pat dry and apply our moisturizer. Just to keep with the consistency of products, I'm also going to use another product from the Ayurveda Experience. I will have these products linked in the description box. So now that that's done, what you should see immediately after, you should see your cheeks looking fuller, an increased glow. Your makeup is going to sit smoother and your skin is going to look rested. By week 1, softer smile lines, healthier tone, less crepey texture. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I hope you do spend some time with some of these facial masks. If you do, you are definitely going to see some changes, okay? Everything is based on consistency. You know that. So keep up the good work and goodness will come out of it. I assure you. This is not magic. So again, it takes time. Always do a patch test before using any skincare ingredients. Do not apply to irritated or broken skin. This is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any skin medical conditions. I will have everything that I use linked in the description box. I do use affiliate links. You all know that. That's how we keep this channel going. And if you purchase through those links, you will definitely help out the channel. And of course, it's no additional cost to you. I thank you so much for supporting the channel. And listen, leave me a comment down below if you are enjoying this time during Facial February. And I will see you all tomorrow for day 16. Bye.